Hi, hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, KAYAKA Maths Classes, where you can learn maths with ease and with confidence. So, I hope everybody is practicing well and you're doing well for your exam preparations. So, today, we discuss another important topic of class 12, that is inverse trigonometric functions, where one compulsory question will be asked for 3 marks. This chapter is also very important as far as the class 12 is concerned, because it has been the questions will be asked for 1 marks, 2 marks as well as 3 marks. So today we'll discuss some of the expected or model question paper or previous year questions on inverse trigonometry for 3 marks. Let us see one important example today. So the questions will be asked in the form of simplify or write in the simplest form. Okay, so without delaying, so please watch the video till the end. Let us see one important example. Find the simplest form of tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x, where x not equals to 0. So how to simplify this quantity? It depends on this only. So here we have a tan inverse. Let us convert this in the form of tan. So in the simple way, just substitute x equals to tan theta, because we have a tan in the outside. Let us see. Let us solve with easiest ways to simplify. So put x equals to tan theta into this given function. Then theta can be written as tan inverse of x. Okay, so this I'll take it as equation number 1. If you transfer tan into LHS, it becomes tan inverse. Then theta is equals to tan inverse of x. We need this at the end of the problem. Let us see. Now, given equation becomes, let us substitute x as tan theta. So this is nothing but what? Tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square becomes tan square theta minus 1 as it is, divided by, again, x is nothing but what? Tan theta. Simple way. Just substitute into the first step. Now let us simplify step by step. 1 plus tan square is the identity, second identity. So it is secant square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 as it is, divided by tan theta as it is in the denominator. Isn't it? Again, you can cancel square root with the square, because secant square theta is a single term. You can cancel them. What are the remaining terms here? Tan inverse of sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Isn't it easy? Right? Okay. Now what we do here is tan inverse of, I can write sec as in terms of cos and tan also in the form of cos. Whenever you find sec theta, tan theta, cot theta, you need to simplify, just convert them in the form of sine and cos, then automatically it will be simplified into simplest forms. Let us see. Sec can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 as it is, okay, and divided by tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta. Are you getting this one? Isn't it easy? Okay. Now, further, let us take LCM in the numerator as cos theta, because we have 2 terms. So this is nothing but what? Tan inverse of, this is our main divide. So in the numerator, we have cos theta as LCM. Here it is. Now this cos theta will be multiplied to 1. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 is cos theta. So this is 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta as it is in the denominator. We'll keep this as it is. Now, you know, you can cancel the denominator of the numerator with the denominator of the denominator. Now write down the remaining terms. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Isn't it? Now let us use the formulas of these two. And we have discussed and used the formulas of these two in the previous class. That is differentiation of 3 marks. You can see in the previous videos also. Okay, what are the formulas? 1 minus cos theta is nothing but what? 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta is nothing but what? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So these are the 2 direct formulas. Just remember them and use here. Now cancel the 2 and 1 sign with 1 sign. The remaining terms here are tan inverse of sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Sin in the numerator, cos in the denominator. Sin by cos becomes what? Yes, tan. Sin by cos is tan. Now we have a formula. What we have a formula? Tan inverse of tan theta can be written as theta. You should remember this word. Tan inverse of tan theta can be written as theta. You can observe tan inverse of tan theta. Theta value is theta by 2. So you can write it as theta by 2. Because instead of theta, we have theta by 2. Let us keep theta by 2. Now, what I said, equation 1 will be used at the end. Let us substitute theta value as tan inverse of x here. Divided by 2. This is your fully simplified answer. Isn't it? Isn't it? Just look into it, my dear students. Okay. Isn't it easy? Just substitution, simple trigonometric formulas, identities, and basic LCM and simplifications. Welcome back, my dear students. So we'll see another similar kind of problem, but there is a slight difference in the function. Again, he is asking to find or to convert into the simplest form. Again, the same thing. Okay, let us see. Right, tan inverse of cos minus sin divided by cos plus sin in simplest form. This is the range of the function for this function is given, so it doesn't matter for that. So now you observe the function, then we need to simplify. In the previous example, the function was tan inverse, and inside he has given in the form of x. So to convert instead of tan, we have used directly as x equals to tan theta. You can easily remember and simplify. Okay. In this case, whenever you have cos sin with minus plus either in the numerator or so interchange, if the functions are also in the form of interchange form, that is cos plus sin, cos minus sin in the denominator. In both the cases, what we do here is we divide the whole function by cosx. Compulsory, you just remember that, because we want to convert them in the form of tan, because we have a tan outside. So how it converts on dividing? Let us see. So he has given tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. This is given. So let us dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. Let us divide all the terms of numerator and denominator by cos x. Let us see how this becomes tan inverse of cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x whole divided by cos x by cos x again, plus as it is sin x by cos x. So when you have cos sin in the numerator and denominator, just do this function at the beginning, compulsory. Okay. Now what it becomes? Tan inverse of cos by cos will be 1 minus as it is sin by cos is, already you know this, tan x. Okay. And divided by cos by cos is again 1 minus, sorry, plus here it is, and sin by cos is again, isn't it? Right? Are you following this one? Okay. Okay. Now what we have, this converted function is directly in the form of a inverse trigonometric formula. Let us see what kind of form it is. So we know that tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y is equals to tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. So this is your formula. Can you see this? You can compare this with the LHS. LHS को comparison कीजिए, आपका equation सही आएगा. Tan inverse and tan inverse here. You can see both are same. 1x, which means x value is 1, minus as it is. Again, y value is tan x. Are you following this? Okay. Tan inverse as it is x as 1 minus y as tan x. So again 1 as it is plus as it is. X into y in the sense x is 1, y is tan x. 1 into tan x is again tan x. X into y, x into y. Exactly same way. So you can write this whole term as this RHS. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Yes. So this is equals to, so first we'll write on comparing, we get, what we get comparing, x value is 1 and y is equals to tan x. Y value is tan x, you can see. Okay. So this is can be written as, this whole term can be written as tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Now well, let us use the values. X value is 1, y value is tan x, here it is. Now you know these values already. Tan inverse of 1 is 45 degree from the trigonometric table, okay, and minus tan inverse of tan x is x, and this is your simplified form, because tan pi by 4 is 1. This implies tan inverse of 1 becomes pi by 4. This formula, you know, just transfer tan into RHS. Tan becomes tan inverse. Okay. And this is the formula I have already given. Tan inverse of tan x is always equals to x. Same formula. So this is your simplified answer. Isn't it easy? Okay. So I hope everybody is following these examples. Practice well, and definitely you're going to solve such kind of exam. Just observe the function and operate accordingly. Okay. I hope you understood this, and watch my previous classes also, which were given for 5 marks, 3 marks on all the chapters for important questions. Okay. So see you again. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.